So recently on Kung Fu Maintenance, been exploring different air conditioners. Do they require a single pole contactor or can they use a dual pole contactor? Today we're looking at a York air conditioner. That's next. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Kung Fu Maintenance, we're looking today at the York air conditioner. Does it require a single pole contactor or can a dual pole contactor be used? That's the question. I'm going to take a look at the wiring here and see what's going on. I pulled the disconnect for safety. And we'll discharge the capacitor for safety as well. The single pole contactor always has constant power on one side of the unit, so remove those 3 screws and discharge the capacitor. The capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected, so now we can work on it and everything. You see here we've got a constant leg, sometimes called a shunt. Not sure that's the perfect term for it, but got a constant leg of power on one side. This one's got it on L2. Let's take a look at our wiring diagram here. This one it's got the red wires on L2 and the black on L1. Now this one has an option for a crankcase heater. That's the dotted lines here. And it looks like they connect from L1 to T1. And it's optional wiring. It's the dotted wires. And we've got HS and CCH. HS stands for heater switch, CCH for crankcase heater. So if this unit was to have a crankcase heater, it would connect from L1 to T1. This one does not have a crankcase heater on it. The crankcase heater normally would go around the base of the compressor and help keep the oil warm and help prevent refrigerant from migrating into the oil. Anyway, so this one, because of that, looks like it is not critical to have a single pole contactor. You could use a dual pole contactor, would be the same thing. It's not, usually when you have a single pole contactor, it can be a reason that it can have the crankcase heater on the constant leg of power. This one is not critical to that, so it looks like it could use either a single pole or a dual pole contactor, either way. You know, normally you like to use like for like, but I like to kind of figure these out, what your options are and your possibilities, especially if you're in a situation where you are wanting to minimize the parts that you need to stock. This one could actually use a dual pole contactor or a single pole contactor. You'd have to check on your own air conditioner, looking at the wiring diagram to see, you know, what can be used. This may not be true for all Yorks, but it's just a subject I've been exploring recently on a bunch of different ones. I did a DuraGuard, the Goodman units, Janitrol units, and it looks like this one can use a single pole or a dual pole contactor. Okay, so now I can plug my unit back in, put my cover back on. Put my cover back on. There we go. I like how this York fits together. The cover fits in there real nice before putting it on. Things line up Nice. Just 3 screws for the cover. Set there, and now I can plug the disconnect back in. Here we go. Oops. Gotta have it on the on. It's up. There we go. Start it up. We're good to go. Thanks for watching. YouTube maintenance. Over. There's the model number on this one, YCJD48S41S1HA. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.